Hey everybody, ready for some Chanukah fun? I would like you to get out your music and your cup and all your family members. Make sure they have a cup too, because this is a group activity. Now, if you look at your music, you're going to see different signs and symbols, and I'm going to show you how to do all of those things. But the first and most important thing is to remember that you always hold it in your right hand on the side. That's what's going to give you the most flexibility for all the moves that we're doing. So if you look at your music, the first thing you're going to see is an O under the note, and that means you tap the table. When you see the X above the note, you tap it in your hand. Then you have a fancy move toward the end of the first part of this. You're going to pass to your neighbor to your right and pick up the one that your neighbor to your left puts in front of you. So pass, pick up. That's how we do that. In fact, I'm going to run that 2 more times so you see. Pass, pick up, pass, pick up. Okay, so that's that one. And then you're going to have one that's kind of a community event. You're going to tap on the table, and then the smiley face tells you to tap your neighbors. And then one more thing, when you see the line that goes across, you tap and slide for 2 counts. So with that in mind, I'm just going to take you slowly through the pattern, and then we'll get to do it with the music. Here we go. Table, table, tap. Table, table, tap. Table, table, tap, tap. Table, table, tap. Now we're going to skip the next line because it was exactly the same as the first one. Now we're on the bottom line of page 1. Table, slide, tap, tap. Table, slide, tap, tap. Table, table, tap, tap. Table, table, pass, pick up. And that might take a couple of times to practice. You are welcome to rewind this video at any point to try it out again. Then we come to the top of the second page, and it's table, neighbor, neighbor, neighbor. Same thing all over again. And a third time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. When you look at line number 2, it's just like the previous page. When we get to line number 3, you're going to tap and slide, table, slide, table, slide, table, slide, table, tap, 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 table, tap, tap, tap. And the last line is the same as what you did up at the beginning. So let's put all of that together with the music.